step-by-step SEO tutorials for 2025. Improving user experience. Why it's important, tips and insights will be shared in this video. Now, let's imagine someone searches Google. We need to consider that people are asking questions to Google search box to find something. At that moment, Google tracks a lot of things. That includes the location of the searcher, device used to search, time of search, and the visit duration of the visit of a user, right? And at times, Google may fluctuate the results. The reason for that is Google algorithms want to determine which website provides the answer to a question, all while providing great user experience. That means your website should be the last stop when someone searches Google and Google sends website traffic. Because then obviously that's a clue to Google to say, someone searched our search box, the website has provided the answer. That's the case in most scenarios. So then we can improve that interaction when someone lands on our website. The most important part of any website is the first eyeful. When someone lands on a website or a web page, what you present to them in the first eyeful is very critical, because that will determine if someone is going to take the next interaction. And that's what we want. We want to focus on improving the first eyeful. Having said that, first eyeful changes for desktop view, or when someone uses their laptop, for example, compared to the mobile visit. What we can do is analyze our website or web pages to say, can we improve the first eyeful? In this scenario, I can see that there is a bit too much, let's say the main homepage. Okay, is this website really focusing on that user experience? There's other things moving. Have they tested this? Because this could perhaps work for this particular website and business. But that question must be asked. So now let's take a look at another website that Google sent me to. I can see that, this website is selling bags, because that's what I searched for. Without even reading, I can see it. I look at it, this provides a little bit more better user experience than this one here. Because if I don't know the website, I'm not going to buy anything from them anyway, even if they offer me 99% discount. Because that's not how people buy things on internet. They're going to look at the deals, they're going to look at the products, they're going to look at the contact information, they're going to look at where the business is located, just in case they don't receive their product. Okay, so focusing on user experience is absolutely critical. Having said that, Google will send traffic to different parts of a website. It could send traffic to the product URL or a blog post and so on. That is why it is in your best interest to analyze different parts of your website to ask yourself, can you improve it? Can you optimize it? And in most cases, yes, you can. And there are tools for you to do just that. Let's take a look at Core Web Vitals. This is coming from Google Search Console. It's a freely available tool. Here we have Core Web Vitals report. We've got mobile report and desktop report. Ideally, what you need to do is focus on fixing poor URLs. if a website has poor URLs, that is costing you website traffic, because this report is coming from Chrome User Experience Report. That means it's coming from real world usage data. And if the website is providing bad user experience, then obviously that's costing you Google rankings and website traffic. So I won't cover how to fix certain things for poor URLs, because Rank Your Website and Rank Your YouTube channel has the tutorials for that. But one way or another, it's smart to use this tool for any website. Core Web Vital reports are critical in 2025 because it helps provide better user experience. Then we have Page Speed Insights. You can use this freely available tool to gain a bit more insights. This could be a bit more technical for most website owners. One way or another, this report and this report is rather similar. Think of it that way. Page Speed Insights are perhaps for technical website owners or web developers and so on, because it tells us what's failing, which is the Core Web Vitals report, shows us quick and easy overview of mobile and desktop where we can improve. In this example, I've optimized the front page of this blog, which is just a blog, right? So then I have the 100% report. You won't see this on internet on many different websites, but obviously I can improve the mobile usability. Time to first byte can be improved. But if I test the front page only, that's not smart. I need to test different parts of my website, because Google is sending website traffic to different parts of a website. In my scenario, it's a blog, so I need to test the blog posts. For e-commerce sites, perhaps you want to test the product URLs. In this example, for that website, if they've just optimized their website to their best ability and invested the time and money and energy, they could double, if not triple, their website results. That's how important usability is. Then we have mobile friendliness. For any website, what you can do is press on F12 on the keyboard, press on the mobile device emulator icon, and just play around with the website to see how it shows on a mobile device usage. You can also edit the settings here. Perhaps your website is selling iPhone accessories. If that's the case, perhaps you want to test iPad. You want to test people visiting using iPhone to see how it looks on a mobile device. One way or another, search engine optimization cannot ignore mobile usability. You can use your own smartphone as well as the web developer toolbar by pressing on F12 on your keyboard. Then let's take a look at accessibility. Yeah, this is a complex subject. One way or another, accessibility is important. Why? Because internet should be enjoyed by everyone. And some people visiting your website or using internet, they rely on assistive technologies. So therefore, if you can improve the accessibility, then do so, because that's going to help your Google rankings as well. And not many people understand that. There are freely available tools for you to use to test your own website for accessibility. And Google does 100% place importance on accessibility as well, because Google's aim is to make internet available to everyone. So let me quickly wrap it up. The first eyeful on any website is absolutely critical to improve, whether it's on a desktop or a mobile device. The first eyeful is what people see, and it will determine in a split second as to if they're going to find the information they're looking for before they interact with the web page. That's why we want to optimize the first eyeful as best as we can. Then, PageSpeed Insights or Core Web Vitals report, you can definitely find opportunities for improvement. Mobile, well, all websites should be mobile friendly. And lastly, accessibility is important. It could be technical, you may need to hire a web developer and so on, but when you optimize all these factors, then the results will improve. So that means your business website will become more profitable. That's why it's in our best interest to optimize the user experience, because Google evaluates that. I thank you for learning with Rankia, and I'll talk with you in the next video session.